So let me tell you what happened to me the other day. So I'm kicking it at the Fair Park, right? Nostalgia, thinking about big techs, missing the good times. When my dude pulled up in the Genesis 2020 G90. Again with the flexing. Pulls up in a beast. So of course I walk over to the car.
Need a ride?
Fine. Of course I want to ride in this nice car, but of course I don't say anything. But then I look at that interior, I gotta get in. So I hop in, we peel off, and we're at it. The Genesis has done it again. 420 horsepower? Yes, please. 8-speed transmission? Let's go. 0 to 60 in 5.4 seconds? We're out of there. So what now? I let him pull up on me again and flex, and now I want a car. Will big techs ever actually come back? Will I see the fair again? Where can I get a Genesis?